The case before Sessions Court is filed by Old Goa Police Station against one Osborne Fernandez and Ramesh Bagwe, against these two people for killing one Shivaji Nayak, who was his employee at Ribandar in his premises, and he was father of two small children. The mother was killed at Anmod Ghat, and these two children were also abused and they were thrown in the valley. So when that case was filed by one passerby, he rescued them and he filed a case in Kole police station. And during that investigation, they found that their father is killed at Ribandar and buried in that premises of Osborne. So while a recovery Panchanama was conducted, his body was discovered in these premises, and that the second FIR was lodged by the PI Colin Pierce in Old Goa police station.
सुजाताचे खुनाचे केशीत आणि भुरग्यांचे अपहरण करून तांचेर लैंगिक अत्याचार करून मारपाचो यत्न केलो म्हूण पणजे चिल्ड्रन्स कोर्टान पोरू मायात ओसबान आनी रमेशाक जल्मठेप फर्मायिल्ली. आतां पणजे डिस्ट्रिक्ट सेशन्स कोर्ट 26 मार्चाक शिवाजी नायकाचे खुनाचे केसीचो निकाल दितले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.